What if I told you there are websites right now hiring remote workers with zero experience? So guys, in this video, I'm revealing the top 5 platforms where you can find these jobs and apply today. So guys, let's get started. Number one is Indeed. Alright, so if you want to go to indeed.com, as you can see right here on your screen. So guys, Indeed is a giant job aggregator, and here is how to use Indeed. So as you can see right here, when you see job title, keywords, or company, you simply want to enter the job title or the keywords right here. So guys, before we actually proceed, you need to create an account on Indeed. All right, so now you maybe want remote customer service virtual assistant. You want to enter it right here, and your city, state, zip code, or remote, you want to enter it right here. So guys, if you want to enter, maybe you want remote job in Nigeria, you simply want to enter it right here. Or you want maybe in Lagos, in Ibadan, Lekki, all right, you simply want to enter it right here. So guys, I'll simply click on the Lagos. After that, you want to click on find jobs. All right, so you can see right here, this the available customer service agent role available, and I'll simply look for another one. Let me cancel this, and let me go to search for virtual assistant. Let me say in the Ibadan, right? Find jobs. So you can see right here the available virtual operations assistant. I think this one is available in Nevada, and the pay is between 800,000 to 1.2 to 1.2 million a month. All right, so guys, you can simply read through about the job details. All right, and guys, Indeed is great because it aggregates from thousands of company websites. All right, you simply find entry-level customer service and data entry, and also virtual assistance roles here daily on Indeed. All right, so guys, you can simply filter, all right, by your location. All right, and number two is FlexJobs. So FlexJobs is a paid platform, all right, but it is simply worth mentioning because it is the most created and scam-free list of remote jobs you simply find online. And they manually screen every job posting, and you simply find beginner-friendly jobs in writing, transcription, and also support. And they also have a money back guarantee if you're not satisfied, and if you're serious about avoiding scams, the small fee is simply worth it on the FlexJobs. All right, so to actually get started, you simply want to actually sign up. All right, and guys, you can simply get access to loads of jobs right here on the FlexJobs. All right, so as you can see, you can simply go through it. All right, so now these are the available jobs right here. So as you can see right here, today they have engineering manager. All right, so guys, you can simply filter by location. All right, so you can simply filter and choose remote. All right, you can simply filter and choose remote. So if you want to come to search by location, all right, so you can simply click on work from anywhere in the world. All right, so you can see right here, so you can simply click on that, work from anywhere in the world, and you can actually get access to loads of jobs. All right, loads of jobs on the FlexJobs. And number three is remote.co, and this site is dedicated only to remote jobs. All right, so if you want to go to remote.co, all right, you want to go to remote.co, and you still want to filter by category, maybe customer service, marketing, writing, or often have entry-level openings. All right, and take note of this. You simply want to bookmark this site and check it every Monday morning when new jobs are posted. All right, so you can see to actually get started, you want to create an account on the remote.co. all right, so you want to make sure you create an account right here. As you can see, these are the available jobs right here. As you can see, the revenue analyst, this is new one. Another one is staff accountant, which was posted 4 hours ago, and another one is this business analyst. All right, this was posted 3 hours ago. As you can see, most of the jobs right here, they are still new. All right, so guys, this is the third platform. All right, this is the third platform. And at number four, we work remotely, and this is one of the largest remote only job boards in the world. And guys, it features jobs from top tech companies and startups globally. All right. So you simply want to go to workremotely.com and use the categories on the left and focus on customer support, data, and marketing for no experience rules. All right. So guys, you want to make sure you actually create your account on the We Work Remotely. All right. So actually get access to all these. Let me scroll down a little bit. As you can see, these are the available jobs and latest post 9 hours ago. As you can see right here, guys. As you can see right here. So this is what I'm actually talking about. These are the available jobs right here. So guys, you can simply get access to all these jobs. All right, so guys, take note. As you can see right here, we have remote administrative and operations assistant. So guys, take note of this. You want to subscribe to their newsletter to actually get the latest jobs sent directly to your email every week. All right, because this saves you time from checking the site daily. All right, so guys, you can simply go through this and apply. I'm gonna apply for remote jobs. All right, so guys, take note of that. So number 5, we have Fiverr and Upwork. All right, as you can see right here is Fiverr. So you want to go to fiverr.com, and Fiverr isn't just a job board, it is a gateway. All right, so Upwork or Fiverr, they are gateway. All right, so you don't need experience, you need a willingness to learn a skill like data entry, virtual assistance, or copywriting, and you want to create a profile and simply start with small gigs to actually build your reviews. All right, so guys, your first goal on Fiverr or Upwork isn't to actually make money, it is to get 5-star reviews. Then after that, you can simply raise your prices. All right, and so guys, to recap, you simply want to use Indeed for volume, FlexJobs for quality, and remote.co and We Work Remotely for dedicated remote listings, and also Upwork to build experience. So guys, your action step is to simply open 2 of these sites right now and apply to one job on each. So guys, if you found this helpful, do me a huge favor, like this video and subscribe for more tips. Then let me know in the comments which platform you will try first. Thanks for watching.